Cross-media or transmedia, it's an important part of today's society. And I believe when it comes to cross-media research that we should try to explore what cross-media is as a part of today's world. And to do so, I think we should base our research on transdisciplinary research. Another important part that will be included in such research would be to develop a philosophy for cross-media design. I think it's important to see cross-media as a field that demands its own area of research, and in that sense I of course agree then with Christidina. But cross-media is something new in a sense because it combines so many different techniques, so many different ways of telling a story, for example. And in that sense, I truly believe that transdisciplinary research is the way to go in order to understand what cross-media is.
So basically, as a student, if you take on the cross-media interaction design master, you will study different aspects of cross-media, such as storytelling, marketing communication, digital branding, etc. And different aspects of interaction design, because we believe in creating students that have a strong ability in creating original concepts for a cross-media future. Being able to do that also means that you're able to understand how to design and implement the overall interface that occurs when you have a combination of different kind of channels and different kind of platforms and technologies in order to make the communication or interaction or make the story come alive. So basically what you will strive for as a student is to get knowledge from all these different aspects of cross-media and interaction design in order to be a strong concept producer. That's what we're trying to do with the education. So this means basically that you read a lot of theoretical stuff about how things works in the cross-media dimension, a lot of theory about interaction design and how to design digital and physical artifacts in order to make them usable for people and in order to make them enablers of pleasurable experiences rather than a source of frustration. And also you read a lot of courses focused on branding and digital storytelling and so on. So we think that we prepare our students for a future as cross-media concept developers, some kind of creative planners, some kind of strategic planners, etc. We think that you, as a student, after you've undertaken our program, will be quite prepared to work with original concepts in the digital future. It doesn't matter if it's in commercial or if it's in artistic settings, or we think you'll have a quite broad and strong ability to create original cross-media concepts. So why are we trying to do this master education up in Skellefteå? Well, we selected Skellefteå for two reasons. First, that's because Skellefteå is where the lodge are. The lodge is, as you may know, a collection of different companies working in the digital communication domain. We're leaders when it comes to creative digital communication, I would say, in some aspects. We try to give this education in a strong integration with the local industry, which means that you as a student will work together with the companies. All your practical assignments will have some kind of connection to the industry or to clients of the companies up in Skellefteå, which we think will give you an edge as a student, that you actually worked on critical cases for real customers and clients from day one of the education. That's one part of it. The other part actually has to do with Skellefteå as a town. It's a quite small town. You don't have that many distractions, so if you choose to come there and study a two-year master program, you will probably end up just studying that program and not doing that much else. It's a great place to be if you want to focus on one thing.